वेलकम टू माय चैनल डीएवी टॉपिक। इस क्लास के अंदर हम लोग डीएवी क्लास 8 चैप्टर नंबर 1 द सेल एंड इट्स स्ट्रक्चर एंड फंक्शन वी विल डू द एक्सरसाइज बुक बैक एक्सरसाइज and we will also do the question answers of D part here. So for E part you will have to give my video for 20 likes. So come on, let's give me for 20 likes only, please. 20 likes please. Okay, so now without wasting any time, let's get started here. So A1 is fill in the blanks. First, all living organisms are made up of cells. तो यहाँ पे आंसर्स क्या आ जाएगा? सेल्स. व्हाट इज द आंसर? सेल्स. CELLS, cells. So now the second one is the dash provides rigidity and protection to the plant cell. That is cell wall. How do we write cell wall? CELLWALL, cell wall. Okay, so now let's move to the third one. All cellular activities are controlled by the nucleus. इसका आंसर है nucleus. So how do we write it? We write it RUCLEUS, nucleus. So now let's move to the fourth one. The dash is known as the powerhouse of the cell. इनमें से कौन सा पावर हाउस ऑफ द सेल जिसको हम कहते हैं वो है माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया. So what is the spelling of this one is MITROCHRODRIA. Once again, MITOCHRODRIA. This is the spelling. So now let's move to the fifth one. Dash is a group of cells performing a specific function. So इसका आंसर क्या आ जाएगा? टिश्यू. TISSUE, tissue. Now let's move to the sixth one. Dash, it was Dash who observed cells for the first time. So that is Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke. Okay. So now let's move to the B part. Match the following. First, Golgi complex. तो इसे हम किससे मैच करेंगे? इसे हम मैच करेंगे पैकेजिंग सेंटर से. सेकेंड इज राइबोसोमस. इसको हम मैच करेंगे प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस से. थर्ड वन इज क्रोमोसोम्स. इसको हम मैच करेंगे जेन्स से. फोर्थ वन इज डेड सेल्स. इसको हम मैच करेंगे कॉर्क से. फिफ्थ वन इज फोटोसिंथेसिस को हम मैच करेंगे क्लोरोप्लास्ट से. ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द सी पार्ट. टेक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. फर्स्ट, द सेल ऑर्गेनेली विच एक्ट्स एज अ स्टोरेज बैग फॉर अ सेल इज नोन एज द. तो यहाँ पे इसका हम क्या आंसर लेंगे? इसका आंसर है vacuole. Okay, this is the answer. Take this one. Second, hence egg is. इसके अंदर कौन कौन सा ऑप्शन है? a cell, organelle, a single cell, a tissue and organ. So the answer is a single cell. Now let's move to the third one. The nucleus is separated from the cytoplasm by the. तो इसका आंसर है nuclear membrane. What is the answer is nuclear membrane. Okay, so now let's move to the fourth and fifth one. Okay, which of the following will not found in an egg? Cell, human, liver and amoeba. So So the answer is cell wall. Now let's move to the fifth one. Which of the following represents the correct sequence? The answer is cell, tissue, organ, organ system. Okay. So now let's move to the sixth one. Which of the amongst of the following pairs can be found only in plant cell but not in an animal cell? So the answer is cell wall and plastids. Okay. Now let's move to the chapter number 1 question answers. So D part question answers हम यहाँ पे कर रहेंगे. List the main factors that determine the shape of the cell. Answer: difference in the shape are due to their location. Second, due to the function in the tissue. So now let's move to the question number 2. Distinguish between unicellular and multicellular organism. Give 2 examples of each. Unicellular are organisms which are made up of only one single cell. Example: Euglena, amoeba. Multicellular are the organisms which are made up of many cells. Example: human, bird, animal. Question number 3. Give reasons for the following. The cell is called the structural and functional unit of life. Answer: certain basic functions like nutrition, respiration, growth, development and reproduction are performed by the cells in all organisms. Therefore, the cell is called the structural and functional unit of life. Okay, so now let's move to the B part. Plant cells are more rigid than the animal cells. Answer: plant cells are more rigid than the animal cells because of the presence of the cell wall. Question number 4. Which cell organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell? Why it is so called? Mitochondria is the cell organelle power which is known as the powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria is responsible for cellular respiration and for generation of energy for different activities of life. Question number 5. Name the cell organelles responsible for the impacting color to the leaves and fruit of a plant. Answer: plastids are the cells organelles responsible for the imparting color to the leaves and fruits of a plant. Question number 6. What are cilia and flagella? Write one similarity and one dissimilarity between the two of them. Answer: cilia and flagella are part of the cell having small extension on their cell membrane. They help in locomotion and collection of food. Question number 7. If onion peel cells and check cells are observed through a microscope, state the 2 major differences that the observer is likely to find. Answer: A. Onion peel cells contain cell are arranged in moss. Second, plaque structure in the center of each cell, that is nucleus. B. Cheek walls contain polygonal is cell or cell in clusters. Then the question number 8. Classify the following into cells, tissue and organs. Skin, fat cells, RBC, red blood cell means blood, ear, muscle. Cell is fat cell, RBC. Tissue, muscle cell and blood. Organ, ear and skin. So this is our we have recovered all the D part question, A, B, C and D part. For the E part, I have the aim of 20 likes. Please give this video 20 likes for E part of this. Thanks. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.